This section is about work experience. The experience section of your resume includes your employment history. List the companies you worked for, dates of employment, the positions you held, and a bulleted list of responsibilities and achievements. Now, building an experience section will be difficult for a fresher. Obviously, as a fresher, you don't have any experience. But then, you can always list the projects done during internships, summer jobs, and temporary jobs in experience section. Also mention the projects that you did during your academic years in your college in the experience section. The experience section should be built in reverse chronological order, that is, starting from your latest experience. It should have the following parameters: designation, duration and time period of that particular project, company name, team size, tools and technologies used for that project, responsibilities, and major achievements. Now, let us look at an example. If I am a fresher and if I want to list out my experience, how will I do it? Obviously, as a fresher, I don't have any experience working in companies. So, let me list out my final year project. In my final year, I have worked on library management system. Now, how will I list out this project? Look out the sections carefully. The first is project name. Write down the name of your project. Then, mention the duration and also the team size. Team size is very important because in a bigger project, what role you play is of utmost importance. Instead of company name, you can say it's a final year project. The project details section should be very crisp and up to the point. It shouldn't have unnecessary details. It should tell about the system that you have designed. For example, let's read out the project details section of library management system. The purpose of this system was to computerize the manually operated library. This application was built using J2EE, Java, and PLSQL. This application fulfills admin needs as well as members' needs. Admin can now set status of members, issue books, check due dates of issued books, and other information of its library members. Whereas members from anywhere can view books from shelf online and book their books. This description gives clearly the overview of my project to the reader. Mention about the tools and technologies that you have used while making this project. Don't forget to mention about your responsibilities, because even though the project have used lot of tools and technologies, it is quite possible that you have played a small part or probably a very bigger part in this project. Now, look carefully the responsibilities which I have listed out. I have created a database schema, I have written queries, and also I have done database connectivity through Java. I have designed front end. I have listed all responsibilities point by point. Don't forget to mention any achievements, any accolades, or any appreciation that you got for this project. Under achievement sections, I have listed that this library management system is currently implemented by my college library. This could be a big achievement since the library is currently using your system. One more point in experience section. While listing out your responsibilities or achievements, don't write very lengthy sentences or paras. It's advisable to use short sentences, and if possible, the responsibilities should be put in bulleted format. Now, before we move towards the next section, please take up this assignment. Based upon your score, you can decide whether to repeat this video or whether you can move to the next section.